Ooh. You're getting good at this.
Somebody else to time then.
Poor Peep.
Yeah! I think so.
Ha ha ha!
Or are they chicks?
Oh!
Whoa!
It's just that they're iron deficient.
Woo!
Oh, yeah.
Kill the peeps first.
I'm the one with the kill.
Although I don't. I have a lot of them. Inside, out to sea, my friend.
Oh, that one.
More appropriate as we don't want to know.
There we go. Yay! Okay.
Ooh.
Peep me this, no peep me that. Oh yeah.
Pop.
Oh yes.
Good signal now.
It wasn't about You're getting good at this.
This was reversed, and then all of a sudden, no back, no
Shoot
motors.
some peeps.
And so this
Come
wire
shoot some peeps.
popped out. And
You
so I had
somebody
no
else
power
to
going
time
to
then.
motors and things like that.
You're really decimating the peeps.
I'm ready. Is anybody out there?
The South Carolina is barreling down on the Peep. No! Roar! Oh, poor Peep.
Yeah! Oh, sorry.
That's good to hear.
I'm not sure if it's firing or if it's... Hey, you might have hit one.
Me?
One fell off the back. Is it firing or hissing at us?
It should be fire. But it's designed for very close quarters. This ship was designed for, it's been likened to knife fighting with 3 of your closest friends in a telephone booth.
It's right over their heads.
Too close, so getting them to duck.
The peeps are ducking.
Are they ducks? Out of curiosity?
They're baby ducks.
The ducks
I think so.
ha ha ha!
Or are they chicks? Maybe they're chickens.
In any event, one of them is now no longer attached.
Well, they're floating pretty nicely.
That's just what they want you to think.
Woohoo.
Come on, I'm pretty sure I got one of those guys.
Yeah, we've heard that one before.
Come on. Oh,
But there's still duckies there. What's going on?
we're working on it.
There in a moment.
Are peeps ducks or chicks?
I don't know. I think they're ducklings.
I think they need iron. Oh.
That was a weird shot.
Oh.
See, aren't you lucky you tried the peeps first?
Oh!
Whoa!
Victory! I'm sorry, that's just not as impressive.
Yes, I am.
It's like the non-barking dog.
Attack!
I will blow on the peeps. Oh, he hit one.
The monitor's aimed too high, I think. Oh,
There comes the monitor to kill the peeps.
Too late. I have to go run a course, but I'll be back for you.
I'll make sure to leave. It's just that they're iron deficient.
Woo!
Oh, yeah.
Only 2 peeps left.
You're taking care of their iron deficiency? Exactly.
Yeah, I just can't hit him.
My friends and I all got thrown into summer school when I had
Go on peep hunting.
So, in first place. Whack! Missed fish.
We gotta kill the peeps first.
Well, I'm the one with the kill.
Although I don't. This thing, I have a lot of them. Inside, out to sea, my friend. Oh, that one.
You can do it, Walter.
Does that have anything on it?
That looks right. There you go.
Okay.
Rob's is, or
Get it.
not Rob. Joe's trying to get us out of here. So.
Joe is?
Right, John.
John, one of those guys.
I can't figure out who anybody is.
Put you to it, Terry.
I don't think we want an answer.
Yeah, I think that's a little bit more appropriate, as we don't want to know.
There we go. Yay! Okay.